Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Beauty Secret by Samira. Hope you are doing great. So today I'm gonna share with you Femme Detan Bleach review. I hope this video is helpful to all, so don't forget to subscribe, like, comments and share with your family and friends. So without any further delay, let's get started. I use bleach mostly for my face to remove suntan, although sometimes I also use on my face when I urgently need a glow on my face. Facial bleaches are made to make your skin glow instantly before you head on to any special event. It is not something you can use every month. However, in case you if you have ever used facial bleach regularly, you must have noticed your skin becomes dull dry rather than becoming glowing and clear. Femme Detan Cream Bleach help get rid of skin tanning instantly. I have used it several times, including on my face, hands and feet. So let's move ahead to see how it works for me. And the product price is 42 rupees for 10 gram and 82 rupees for 30 gram. Regular exposure to sun causes skin to tan, while some home remedies can help reduce this tan over a period of time. This Femme Detan Cream Bleach helps you get rid of it instantly. Fortified with orange peel and AHA, it removes tan naturally and helps remove dead cells. Femme Detan Cream Bleach does not contain ammonia, which makes it gentle and safe. Specially crafted for all skin types, it has a refreshing fragrance that makes the bleaching experience more pleasant. Moreover, it is also enriched with methyl lactate and citrus paradisi grapefruit extract, which is known for skin soothing and nourishment. It comes with a spoon for multi-packs to ensure a safe bleaching experience for you. So go ahead and say goodbye to suntan. How to use: apply pre-bleach cream on the bleaching area. Mix cream with activator using the Femme Safe Used spoon. Take one big spoon of cream and one small spoon of activator and mix thoroughly using a spatula. Apply the mixture on the area to be bleached. Avoid application of bleach around the eyes. Do not keep the bleach for more than 15 minutes. Mild irritation is normal while bleaching. However, if it scatolets, remove immediately. Wash off using cold water and pat dry. Lastly, apply post-bleach cream on the bleached area and massage gently till it is completely absorbed. Now I'm saying that the packaging. It comes packed in a cardboard box which contains a tub, cream bleach, a small bottle, powder activator, measuring spoon, spatula, and some sachet of pre-bleach and post-bleach cream. Apart from that, there is an instructor provided on which you can find uses direction in 8 different languages. You can find product related details on each packs of the bleach like over outer cardboard box, tub, bottle and sachet as well. Now I'm saying that how I use it. First of all, I cleanse my skin thoroughly with a micellar water and gentle face wash. Let my skin air dry and apply a layer of pre-bleach cream on my face. While I have to use it on my hands or feet, I skip pre-bleach cream. I mix 1:1 ratio of cream, bleach and powder activator with the help of measuring spoon. Blend well and apply immediately over affected area. I leave it over my skin for 15 minutes and wash off using normal room temperature water. After this, I don't use towel to dry my skin, rather I just slap my face lightly to dry it out. On my first application, this does not cause me any problem at all, and it gets washed off with a little bit of massage, making my skin instantly clear, glowing and tan free. And this facial bleach is quite effective in removing stubborn suntan as well, but don't expect complete result in a single use. If you have very tan skin, reuse it after a month to get full results, but don't use it regularly. Your suntan will fade gradually if you take enough citrus fruits in your diet and wear a good sunscreen every day. Apart from that, while using any active like HA, BHA, vitamin C, and retinol, do not bleach your skin because this can cause serious skin burn or damage. Now I'm saying that positive side of this bleach: affordable, removes tan effectively, clears out dead layers of skin, remove clogged pores, makes skin clear and smooth. Negative side of this bleach: overuse can damage skin barrier, can cause skin rash and irritation if used incorrectly, may not suit sensitive skin. Overall rating 5 out of 3.8. Overall, Femme Detan Cream Bleach is a good product to use once in a while when you immediately need a clear and glowing skin. Also, if you have stubborn skin tan, you can use this, but use it carefully and do a patch test before applying all over face. Thanks for watching this video.